Hi and welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to learn how we can run Node.js in our Visual Studio Code and how you can execute the output in Node.js in Visual Studio Code terminal. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed on how we can use OS module. So, we just use one constant and then we require the OS module. This one is purely built into Node.js and we are trying to console log. So let's check what the output is. Let's hit terminal, new terminal, and here you need to write few important words. First of all, you need to write node and then you need to write the your file name, or in my case main.js. Hit enter and then you see some output. But if I call this arc, I just use CLS to clear the output screen and use it again. You see, we get x64 because we are getting our architecture. Windows have two type of architectures, 32-bit or 64-bit, and this returns which type of architecture your Windows have. So in order to run node, you need to write node keyword and followed by your file name. Hit enter and you will get your output. When we do try to print another thing, os module dot. Now I use platform. I use platform. Hit enter. And now when I try to run the file, you see we get Windows 32. We have this platform. Now, in order to search what all functions we can do, just head back to your browser and there you need to write Node.js API like this. Click on the API link and then you need to search for OS module here. Now you can use endless features available here. For example, we can use console.log os module.type function and we call this. We clear our output screen, we run this again and we have Windows NT type. And then we can also receive our Windows version. We need to use again os module.version, clear the screen, run the output. You have Windows 10 home. Okay. Now you can have more things like the releases or host name. Let's check a couple more examples. Console.log os module dot. We can use this from here. Host name. Just hit enter, come to your console and you get the host name. In my case, Siddharth Verma. From where these settings are captured, go over here, go to settings, and then about. Here you can see device name. This device name is kept by me. So ये OS module यहाँ से ये device name capture कर रहा है. So like this, you can use OS module features, okay? And simply आपको क्या आपको नीड है वो सब यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. आपको क्या क्या चाहिए उसके लिए अपने काम के लिए. जैसे अगर मैं करूँ इसका home dir function, like for example I need the home dir function. I use OS module home page or home dir, hit save, clear the screen, run. and I get what is my base path, and this is the base path because हमारे विंडोज में डिफरेंट डिफरेंट यूजर्स यूज कर सकते हैं. यूजर्स दैट मीन्स अकाउंट्स. तो आपका क्या होम बेस पाथ है वो आपको ये लेके देगा स्पेस. ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज फ्री मेमोरी आपके पास में कितना है, यू कैन यूज दिस एज वेल. जस्ट लेट मी कोट वन मोर एग्जांपल. OS module dot free memory. Call this function and now clear the screen and see you get how much of free memory do you have. If I divide it by 1024, now let's check what I get. 5075116 returns the amount of the free system memory in bytes, okay, as an integer. So you receive in bytes, and easily we can see, you just write bytes to MBs, okay, and you can see how you can get bytes to MBs. What you just need to do, just you can have how much of MBs do you have, just you run this command again, you get this, go to the conversion, and you can see you have almost 4 GB of space available. That means 4 GB of RAM is more available. So that's it for the OS module, how you can use the OS module and get the system information. More functions will be available in this API. Whatever you want to use, you can. And if you have any doubt using this module, just let me know in the comment section below and I will try to help you with that. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, give us support, and if you like the video, please do hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning.